Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamaralyr. If you guys are new here, I just want to say thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. As you can tell by the title of the video, we will be discussing the 3 different business models. Now before I jump into this video, what I'd like you guys to do is just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and hit that notification bell wherever it is so that you guys are notified of each and every time that I will be posting. Now without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Now the first thing that I want to go over is what and why a business model is so important. Alright, so a proper business model helps you figure out elements such as your business concept, what problems you will be solving and for who, the customer value, how your product or service will get to your actual customer, how you guys will stay competitive, and all your revenue and costs that you can anticipate. So now that you know what a business model is and why a business model is so important, now we can move on to the 3 main business models. So the 3 main business models are DIY, do it yourself, DWY, done with you, and DFY, done for you. Now DIY, as we've probably heard this before, do it yourself business model starts with a front end offer, such as ebooks, courses, guides that you create and that is purchased by whatever consumer is purchasing it or whatever client comes across it. The do-it-yourself business model is actually great for those who are looking to create some sort of passive income because you can create this product once, push it out into the marketplace, and it will sell on its own. So again, this is the best way to actually create some passive income, and a great example of this is like myself. I actually have an ebook that I sell. It's actually linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it, but this is a true example of a do-it-yourself business model. I've created the ebook, I'm pushing it out and marketing it on this platform as well as my other social media platforms, and I don't have to do anything else other than that. I've already created it, now I have brought it to the marketplace, and all I have to do is talk about it a couple of times, and those who are interested, they just purchase it, and I don't have to do anything other than that. So again, the do-it-yourself model is a great way to make some passive income. Now onto the second business model. This is the done with you business model. The done with you business model is all about using your expertise to get your client their end result. You're basically their teacher, guiding and coaching them along the way, and all your job is to do is close the gap between where your client now is currently and where they want to be. And a great example of this business model is whether or not you are a consultant or coaching. And again, I also do that as well. Both Jonathan and I have our coaching business, which is Opulent Coaching, where I offer one-on-one strategy calls, which you can also book down below if you guys are looking to turn your passion or expertise into a business. And lastly, the last business model is done for you services. So the done for you business model is basically when you provide a service and you have clients that actually hire you to perform the service for them. The done for you service requires you to have some sort of expertise and skill set, and this will be your asset. And this skill set and expertise that you have, since it is an asset, once it is taken to the marketplace, your skill set will actually sell itself. Again, this service and business model is when someone actually hires you to either alleviate the workload from them or because they actually lack the skill set that you provide, so they hire you instead. And a perfect example of this business model is actually agency work. And once again, Jonathan and I both also do this service. We have our social media marketing agency that we've been running for about 4.5 years now, where we provide paid advertising for all of our clients. So that actually completes this video. I know it was quick, short, and straight to the point. I hope that you enjoyed the 3 business models and that you guys get an idea of each one of the business models, why they are important, and if you guys are looking to start an actual business, you guys can use the information that I was able to give you and explain to you to help you in finding the best business model that fits you. Again, I hope that you found this video very helpful. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Comment down below what you guys would see next or what business model is actually your favorite. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.